Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope everything's going well on your side. According to our today's lesson planner, we have part B, question number 1 and 2. So let's begin with our first part, that is, complete the following in your own words. Each sentence should not be about Robinson Crusoe on the island. So some of the statements are given over here. We will simply complete the incomplete statements, but we will simply make sure that none of these statements are according to the story, according to the Robinson Crusoe in the story. So we will simply write something quite different from the given story. So let's begin with the first one. Let's complete the first statement, that is, every day I brought. First part of our first sentence was that every day I brought. So we will complete the rest of the sentence like some fresh fruits. I've given some of the examples over here. You can either use these ones or you can simply use your own. The second one was that one day I set out to explore the jungle. I've written over here the jungle. You can write your own also. Third one, I collected a quantity of blueberries. Fourth one, I picked up the heavy box. Second last is, I grow a number of crops because it was my hobby. And let's see how we will complete the last one. Suddenly, I saw the ship coming towards the shore. So this is how you're going to complete the incomplete statements. You can either take some examples from here. You can either use these ones or you can simply solve it by your own. So let's move towards question number 2 now. Alright, we are on question number 2, which is related to the meanings of the given words. Like, you're going to use your dictionary in order to find the meanings of the given words. So some of the words are given over here like hurricane, tornado, stockade, fort, mast, pole, island, islet, resolved, solve, pistol, and the last one is rifle. So what we are going to do, we will simply find out their meanings. Let's see what their meanings are. The first word was hurricane. What's a hurricane? It's a storm. It's a kind of a severe storm with a violent wind, with strong winds. The second one was tornado. What's a tornado? It's a violent storm. It's a dangerous storm which usually moves in a circular motion. The second one was stockade. What's a stockade? It's a strong barrier or a kind of a wooden fence. The fourth one is fort. What's a fort? It's a building which is usually designed for defense or which is usually designed to be defended against the enemy. The next one was mast. What's a mast? It's a tall pole on the boat. It's usually in the middle of the boat, which is used for sailing the boat from one place to another. Then we have a pole. What's a pole? It's a long piece of a wood or a metal, usually just like a flagpole, which is long and tall, and it is usually made up of wood or metal. Moving towards the next one, we have island. What's an island? A mass of a land or an area of a small land which is surrounded by water, covered with water all around. Then we have islet. What's an island? It's a little or a small island. We call it an islet. The next one is resolved. What does it mean? It means to be determined firmly, or a firm belief, or a strong confident. Next one is solved. Obviously, when we find the solution of a problem, then that means that it has been solved. So solved means that if you found the solution of any problem. Then the last one was pistol, which means it's a small handgun, while rifle means a long-barreled gun. It is a gun whose top part is a little bit longer than the usual guns. So that's it. That was over today's lesson. That was related to the incomplete sentences and the meanings of the given words. I hope you understood everything. Thanks for listening.